Human in the loop in AI systems. Human in the loop.
Human in the loop in AI means an automated system makes a prediction, but a human reviews, corrects, or approves important decisions before they fully take effect.
A simple way to picture human in the loop is like cruise control in a car. The system handles routine driving, but the human driver keeps hands near the wheel and can instantly steer or brake when needed. It turns AI from an autopilot that runs unchecked into an assistant that always stays under human supervision.
In a content moderation system, a model flags potentially harmful posts, but anything borderline is routed to human moderators, who decide whether to remove, label, or allow it. This is similar in spirit to reinforcement learning from human feedback, where human judgments shape how an AI behaves over time.
Human in the loop matters because it catches model mistakes, manages legal and ethical risk, and builds trust in AI for high-stakes domains like finance, healthcare, and safety-critical tools. As systems scale, teams carefully choose which decisions stay fully automated and which require a human-in-the-loop checkpoint.